Welcome to this complete Doha Qatar guide. We start our journey at the Museum of Islamic Art. A beacon of architectural splendor, the museum is a marvel of modern design inspired by ancient Islamic architecture. This majestic structure houses an extensive collection of Islamic art spanning over 1,400 years, capturing the breadth and diversity of Islamic cultures. From intricately designed ceramics and textiles to breathtaking manuscripts and metalwork, each piece tells a unique story of the Islamic world's rich artistic heritage. Beyond its walls, the museum's park offers a stunning view of the Doha skyline, a striking contrast between the traditional and the contemporary. The park itself, with its meticulously manicured gardens and serene water features, is a work of art. It's like stepping into a painting where the past meets the present, creating a harmony that's as beautiful as the art pieces inside. This museum is an absolute must-visit, a testament to the rich artistic heritage of the Islamic world. Next, we take a stroll in the bustling lanes of Souq Waqif. This vibrant marketplace is a testament to the seamless fusion of tradition and modernity in Doha. As you wander through its labyrinthine passages, you will come across an array of shops, each with its own unique tale to tell. From the fragrant spice stalls where the air is heavy with the scent of exotic aromas, to the boutiques showcasing traditional Qatari garments, every turn holds a new discovery. Let's not forget the artisans, their skilled hands meticulously crafting items that echo the rich Qatari heritage. And amidst all this, the irresistible aroma of local cuisine wafts through the air, tantalizing your taste buds and inviting you to sample the culinary delights that Souq Waqif has to offer. Whether it's the succulent kebabs or the sweet allure of baklava, there's a feast for every palate. Souq Waqif is a sensory delight, immersing you in the heart of Qatari culture. Moving on, we step into the world of luxury at the Pearl Qatar. This man-made island is the epitome of opulence, a place where the elite come to play and stay. Here you'll find yourself amidst high-end boutiques that are a testament to the finer things in life. From the latest haute couture to exclusive accessories, shopping here is an experience in itself. But the luxury doesn't end at shopping. The Pearl Qatar is also home to an array of fine dining establishments, from indulging in exquisite seafood delicacies to savoring gourmet desserts. The culinary scene here is a gastronome's dream come true. And let's not forget the magnificent marina view, with yachts bobbing gently on the turquoise waters and the stunning skyline in the backdrop. It's a sight to behold. Whether you're here for a leisurely stroll or a sunset cruise, the marina offers a tranquil escape from the bustling city life. The Pearl Qatar, where luxury knows no bounds. We now delve into the cultural heart of Doha at Qatar Cultural Village. This is more than a place, it's an experience, a journey into the soul of Qatar. Imagine a place where the whispers of history meet the vibrance of the present. The amphitheater, a marvel of architecture that echoes with the voices of the world's most talented performers. It's a stage where the stars of the sky meet the stars of art under the cool desert night. Moving on, the art galleries are a labyrinth of creativity, a testament to the human spirit's ability to express and create. Every corner, every wall tells a story of passion and imagination, of diverse cultures merging into a beautiful symphony. And the cultural events, a kaleidoscope of traditions, art forms, and ideas from around the globe, all celebrated here. From music festivals to art exhibitions, Qatar never ceases to amaze. Qatar Cultural Village, a celebration of Qatari culture and arts. Next, we breathe in the fresh air at Aspire Park. This sprawling green oasis in the heart of Doha is a breath of fresh air, quite literally. It's the perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or even a game of football. The park is home to a serene lake, where ducks paddle peacefully and the water glistens under the Middle Eastern sun. It's a tranquil scene, a sharp contrast to the bustling cityscape surrounding it. Looking up, you can't miss the towering majesty of the Torch Tower. This iconic skyscraper looms over the park, a beacon of modernity amidst the natural splendor. By day, it's an impressive sight. By night, it's a glowing testament to Doha's progress and ambition. Aspire Park isn't just a park, it's a symbol of Doha's harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, nature and architecture, tranquility and dynamism. Aspire Park, an oasis in the heart of Doha. We now step back in time at the National Museum of Qatar. A masterpiece of design, this museum is a testament to the progressive spirit of Qatar. The building itself, a marvel of modern architecture, is reminiscent of a desert rose, mirroring the country's deep-rooted connection with nature. Stepping inside, you are instantly transported through Qatar's rich history. The museum's exhibits are not just displays, but interactive experiences. You can hear the whispers of the past, feel the pulse of Bedouin culture, and witness the transformation of a modest pearl diving community into a thriving modern nation. Each exhibit tells a story, bringing to life the traditions, struggles, and triumphs of the Qatari people. From ancient artifacts to digital installations, the National Museum of Qatar beautifully weaves together the threads of time, presenting a tapestry of a nation's journey. But it's more than a trip down memory lane. It's an exploration of the present through the lens of the past. The National Museum of Qatar, where the past meets the present. We now step into the shopper's paradise, Villaggio Mall. Imagine stepping into a Venetian cityscape complete with gondolas gliding through serene canals. This, my friends, is the Villaggio Mall, a shopping destination that transports you straight to Italy, right in the heart of Doha. But it's not just the breathtaking interiors that make Villaggio a must-visit. The mall houses an extensive array of international brands, making it a one-stop destination for fashion enthusiasts. Whether it's haute couture or high street fashion, you'll find it all under this Italian sky. Now, for those seeking a dash of thrill amidst their shopping spree, the mall boasts an indoor amusement park. From heart-stopping roller coasters to fun-filled carousel rides, there's something for everyone. In essence, Villaggio Mall seamlessly blends retail therapy with entertainment, providing a unique shopping experience that goes beyond mere purchases. Villaggio Mall, where shopping meets entertainment. Next, we take a leisurely walk along the Doha Corniche. Picture this, a stunning waterfront promenade stretching over 4 miles, offering breathtaking views of Doha's magnificent skyline. The Corniche is a living postcard, a panorama that captures the essence of this vibrant city. As we amble along the waterfront, the Persian Gulf's gentle breeze whispers tales of a city blending tradition with modernity. The Corniche is not just about the views, though, it's about the experiences. Imagine hopping onto a traditional dhow boat. As it sways gently on the serene waters, you'll find yourself immersed in tranquility, the city's hustle and bustle fading into a distant murmur. And let's not forget the iconic Oyster and Pearl Monument, a symbol of Qatar's rich past. This sculpture, embodying the nation's deep-rooted pearl diving history, stands tall, adding a historical touch to the modern cityscape. Doha Corniche, the perfect place to unwind. Join us, won't you, on this enchanting journey through the heart of Doha. We now enter the Scholars' Haven, Qatar National Library. A marvel of modern architecture, this library is not just a building, but a testament to the power of knowledge and human ingenuity. Designed by the renowned Dutch architect Rem Koolhaas, the library's innovative design is a striking sight to behold, merging seamlessly with the landscape. Beyond its architectural prowess, the library houses an impressive collection of books. The vast sea of knowledge spans over 1 million books, accommodating every interest from history and art to science and literature. It's not just about books, though. The library also offers a vast selection of digital resources, ensuring it caters to the evolving needs of the modern scholar. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, the library offers a conducive environment for study and research. With quiet reading rooms, advanced research labs, and a dedicated children's library, it is a sanctuary for scholars of all ages. Qatar National Library, a paradise for every book lover. Finally, we travel outside Doha to visit the historic Al Zubarah Fort. This 18th century fortress, standing like a sentinel in the desert, is a testament to Qatar's rich and vibrant past. Once a thriving pearl fishing and trading town, Al Zubarah is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a prestigious title it was awarded in the year 2013. The fort itself, with its high walls and imposing towers, is a marvel of traditional Qatari architecture. Every brick, every archway echoes the stories of the people who once called this place home. Just a stone's throw away, the archaeological site unveils the remnants of the old town, offering a fascinating glimpse into the daily life of its ancient inhabitants. This unique site is more than just a collection of old buildings. It's a living museum, a window into a bygone era, And so we end our journey here at Al Zubarah Fort, a step back into Qatar's rich history. So there you have it, 10 amazing places to visit in Doha, Qatar. We started our journey at the majestic Museum of Islamic Art, a testament to the rich history and culture of the Islamic world. Then we dove headfirst into the hustle and bustle of the vibrant Souq Waqif, where tradition meets modernity. We then indulged in the luxurious lifestyle of the Pearl Qatar, before immersing ourselves in the cultural heart of the city, the Qatar Cultural Village. Afterward, we found tranquility in the green oasis of Aspire Park and unfolded the chapters of history at the National Museum of Qatar. Our shopping desires were satiated at the Villaggio Mall, followed by a scenic stroll along the Doha Corniche. We then took a scholarly detour to the Qatar National Library before wrapping up our journey at the historic Al Zubarah Fort. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Doha, the shining jewel of Qatar.